Hello and welcome to Ministry of JavaScript. In this video we are going to be looking at what is nullish equation and how can we implement it. So basically the syntax of nullish equation is, in case if the left value is undefined, then return the right value, right? In case whatever you are passing or whatever you are trying to achieve in the left one, and the left functionality has returned undefined, and you want to print any kind of fallback value in case your code returned undefined, then for that cases you can use nullish equation. So let's suppose in the array we are trying to find the name inside the zero index of an array, and it is returning us undefined. Why? Because we are using the optional chaining operator over there. So we can do something like this: double question mark, name is not defined. So as you can see, because this thing was returning undefined, it has printed out name is not defined. And in case if I come over here and write name David, then it will return me that value which is inside the left operand. So this is how the nullish equation works, and it is a very killer combination to use the optional chaining parameter along with nullish equation. So I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.